Ningbo SINOCONVE Belt Company Limited is focusing on material handling, power transmission, and industry application. We are aimed at helping our customers increase production efficiency, offering quality rubber belts with high strength, low abrasion, resistant to impact and cut. Excellent quality and professional service is always our principle since the company was established. With extensive technology and rich working experience, we are dedicated to provide surpassing value for money to help our clients cut cost, grow more business, and expand more markets. Nowadays, to meet increasing fragmented orders from end users or small distributors, we optimize his production process. Thus, to provide low MOQ and quick delivery to support more and more small and medium-sized clients. In the future, we will continue follow the core concept: save time, save money. Go through the new stages for product innovation, process innovation, and service innovation. To stay with our clients tightly, expand more and more markets together, and create more value for our customers. Welcome to visit us.